If you're like most people, your bathroom is one of the messiest rooms in your house. But it doesn't have to be that way. These creative ideas will help you organize your bathroom and get it under control. Welcome to Jensen's DIY. In this video, we will discuss 18 bathroom storage and organizing ideas. 1. Add a shelving unit above the toilet. In a small bathroom, it is important to add storage. You can do this by installing a shelving unit above the toilet. This will give you more space to organize and declutter your bathroom. You can also add style to the room by building custom open shelves that match your home decor style. 2. Use cups or jars for storage. If you want your bathroom to be functional and organized, you can use cups or jars to help. This way, you can use the vertical space in your cabinet better. You can put like items together in each jar. For example, one jar for toothpaste, one for floss, and another for other things. This way, everything is together, and it is easy to find what you need. 3. Use a label maker to beautify basic containers. Label makers can be helpful when you want to organize your belongings. Figure out how you want to organize everything. Get containers that fit your needs. Use a label maker to make labels for your containers. This will help everything look more put together and organized. 4. Coordinate bottles to cut down on clutter. The bathroom should be a place where you can relax. It's less stressful if the counters are clean and organized. You can make it easier to relax by using coordinated bottles for all of your products. This will help you keep track of everything and make it less likely that you will forget something. Coordinated bottles can also give your bathroom an elegant feel, making it a nicer place to spend time in. 5. Add a tiered organizer if you have extra floor space. Adding extra storage to your bathroom can be really helpful, especially if you have some extra floor space. You could consider adding a tiered organizer to store things like towels, toiletry items, or extra toilet paper. If you don't have much extra floor space, you can also use a smaller tiered tray on your countertop to hold things like makeup, hair products, or skincare items. 6. Attach everyday makeup to the wall. Think about things you use every day and how you can store them in a way that is both functional and stylish. If you do your makeup there every day, consider attaching a few key makeup items to the wall. You can either purchase special wall-mounted holders or get creative and use things like command strips. Just be aware that if you use command strips, you'll need to be careful not to damage the paint or wallpaper when you remove them. 7. Use a tray to organize perfumes and colognes. If you have a lot of perfumes and colognes, it can be tough to keep them all organized. You can use a tray to help you organize them. The tray can go on your dresser or shelf in your closet. This will keep them from getting knocked over and make it easy for you to grab what you need in the morning. 8. Use a freestanding cabinet for linen storage. A freestanding cabinet is a great way to store your linens. You can put it almost anywhere in your home, and you don't have to assemble it. Plus, it has a lot of storage space for all of your linens. When you're not using it for storage, you can use it as a decoration piece in your home. 10. Divide vanity drawers into sections. There are many ways to section off vanity drawers. You can use dividers that fit the width of the drawer or baskets or boxes. Here are some tips. If you want each section to be evenly sized, use dividers that fit the width of the drawer. This way you can store different items in each section. If you want more flexibility in what you store, use baskets or boxes to section off the drawers. This way you can change what you put in each section whenever you want. 11. Create a place for dirty and clean towels. It can be tough to keep a bathroom clean and organized. One way to help is to have a designated space for dirty and clean towels. You can put a wire shelf above the toilet or in an unused corner of the bathroom. Assign one side of the shelf for clean towels and the other side for dirty towels. This will help everyone know where to put their towel when they're finished using it, which will make laundry day easier. 12. Use a Lazy Susan in a bathroom cabinet. A Lazy Susan is a great way to use the space in your bathroom cabinet. It's a rotating shelf that can turn so you can easily get to everything in the cabinet. This is helpful if you have a lot of small things that are hard to organize. A Lazy Susan can also help keep your bathroom organized and tidy. Having all of your items on one shelf will avoid the messy look that often comes with a busy bathroom. 13. Lean a ladder for towel storage. No matter how big or small your bathroom is, it can be hard to find a place to store your towels. This is often a problem because wet towels can make the floor wet and dirty. One easy solution is to lean a ladder against a wall and use it to hang your towels. This way, they will be off the floor and out of the way, and you will also be able to grab them quickly when you need them. You can also use the ladder to store other bathroom essentials, such as extra toilet paper or cleaners. 14. Store items on the inside of a cabinet door. Adding hooks to the inside of your bathroom cabinet doors can help you organize things. This way, you can keep towels, robes, and washcloths off the floor and save shelf space. It also makes these items easy to reach, so you don't have to search for them every time you need them. 15. Carve out some space for a hairdryer. There are some things you need in the morning before you start your day. A hairdryer is one of those things. Most people use a hairdryer every day, so it's important to have a place for it. If you have a small bathroom, you might want to mount the hairdryer on the wall or keep it in a drawer. If you have a larger bathroom, it's still a good idea to create a spot for your hairdryer. 16. Organize bath toys in waterproof bins. The bathroom is a very important room in the house. It needs to be well organized so that it can function well. One way to organize the bathroom is to store bath toys in waterproof bins. This will keep the water from damaging the toys and will also make them easy to find when you need them. Waterproof bins are also great for storing other bathroom supplies such as towels and toiletries. 17. Keep stylish items on a tray. Nobody likes a cluttered bathroom counter. It looks messy, and it can be dangerous if you drop something in the sink. You can keep your bathroom looking chic and organized by keeping all of your stylish items on a tray. This can include everything from perfume bottles to makeup brushes. This will help declutter your space and also give your bathroom a more polished look. 18. Create a shower caddy using suction cups. Organizing your bathroom can be difficult, especially if you don't have a lot of space. However, there are some easy ways to do it without spending a lot of money. One way is to use suction cups or adhesive hooks to put a shower caddy on the wall. This is a good way to store your shampoo, soap, and towels. Just make sure the hooks can hold the weight of what you're putting on them before you hang anything up. And that's all for now. There are a lot of easy ways to organize your bathroom using things that you might already have in your home. By using some of these simple tips, you can declutter your space and make it easier to find what you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos.